Back to my channel. Here we are still going to work on the sketching of isometric view of a given object. So when we are given its orthography views, and these are the orthography views that we are given now. So we are given these views in first angle projection. This is the front elevation and this is the plan. So we are to make the sketch of isometric view of this, and then on the front elevation we have the lowest point here at this point, so we need to take note of this. And as I said, it's very important that when you make a sketch of an isometric view of an object, always indicate the lowest point. Marks will be awarded, or a mark will be awarded to the making of the lowest point. Alright, so I also said that when you have the orthographic views of an object in which you are to sketch or you are to use instrument to draw, so you are to take note of the main part. So the main part that you are going to use to bring out the solid part of that object. So for this question, so we have this shape to be the main part of the object. So if I'm able to sketch this shape out, so I'll be able to produce other parts of the object. So let's go and see how this can be done. So the first thing that we are going to do, as I have said before, is to make a sketch of a short horizontal line. So a sketch of a short horizontal line. So I have that horizontal line here like this, and on this line I'm going to indicate the lowest point B. So with that dot, so I will write letter B here, okay, like this. So this is the lowest point, always indicate it. So with the shape that we have as the main part of the object, so I will make a sketch of a short line at an angle to the horizontal here, okay. So this is okay for me. And then so at this point here I will sketch a vertical line like this, okay. So I will sketch it. So I need to stick it up, so I will erase the one that I don't need. So when I'm done, so then at this point also I will make a sketch of a vertical line like this, okay. All right, so we have this. So I'm going to connect this together. So I'm going to connect this together, then I will come to the middle here, so somewhere around here. So put a mark here and come down a bit. So looking at this distance from here to here, and then so coming down a bit. So I'm going to okay, let me come up a bit, okay. So then and then here, so because the thickness is the same, so I will also come down and make a line like this. So here I'm going to sketch this line. So I will sketch a line forward like this, okay. And here also I will sketch a line. So I sketch a line forward like this, okay. So we have this, okay. So we have these lines like this, okay. So I'm going to draw a vertical line to complete this, so making sure the line is a vertical line to connect this together. All right, so having made this part now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to from this point, so we are going to sketch a line in this direction, and from here also we do the same. From here we do the same, from here we do the same, from here we do the same, and also at this point we also do the same. So let's start. So let's sketch the lines. So from each point, so we take a line in this direction. So make sure, so make it to be at an angle, okay. So and then so from this point also I will sketch a line in this direction, so okay. And coming to this point I will sketch a line. So once it touches this line, so you stop it there, so like this. And from this point I will sketch a line in this direction, taking note that it should be parallel to this line, okay. So sketch a line in this direction, okay. And then so coming to this point I will also sketch a line, so in this direction like this. And then so coming to this point I will sketch a line in this direction. So you can see how simple this work is, okay. So having done that, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I need to terminate this one, okay. So I'm going to sketch a vertical line. So I'm going to sketch a vertical line. So at this point here, so considering the dimensions on the figure, you need to consider the dimensions given on the figure. As I said that the dimensions that you are given, so you have to consider it. So the line you are drawing must not be smaller than the dimensions that you are given, and must not be too bigger or longer than dimensions that you are given. So you need to make sure you follow the dimensions given to you. Though we are not making use of measuring instrument like ruler to measure the lines that we are drawing, but as a technical drawing student, you must be able to know that this line that I've made, that I've sketched, should be of this so length. So that should be put into consideration when you are making freehand sketch of an object. All right, so I will terminate it somewhere here. So by making a sketch of a vertical line, so at this point, okay, so I have it like this, okay. Then I'm going to take it, so making a sketch of a line parallel to this one, so in this direction, okay, so it goes like this, okay. Then I will also make a sketch of a vertical line, so from this point here, okay, so make a sketch of a vertical line from this point up, okay. Then so from this point we make a sketch of a line in this direction. So we have this object now. All right, so let's erase the excess lines. So I don't want them, so I want the object to come out as one on its own. Okay, so now, so you can see what we have now. So let me bring the drawing, so the views that we are given. So if you look at it, so this shape that we have here is what we have here. So I'm going to erase this line. So I'm going to erase this line. And then, so if you look at this surface that we have here, this rectangle that we have here, this is the rectangle, okay? So then we have a hole. So we have it within here. We are going to make a sketch of it. And then this curve that we have here, so we are going to make one here and make one here. So let's work on that curve first. So for the curve, so if you look at the length of the curve or the radius of the curve, it is 10 millimeters. So I will just make a mark here, and then so come here, make a mark. So at equal distance, So then here also I make a mark here at equal distance, and here also I make a mark here at equal distance. So from this point, so I'm going to connect these together like this. So connect these 2 points together, okay, with a curve. So like this, connect them together with a curve like this, okay. And then so I will connect this together with a curve like this. All right, so the curve is out, so you just leave it like this, okay. All right, so all right, so we have the curve here, so just do it and take it easy. So here we have the curve like this. So I'm going to erase this so that the curve will show. So you see it now. All right, so you can see that the curve has come out. So it's very easy and very simple to do. Okay, so let me make this more perfect. All right, so on this side, so we have the same thing. So for this, I'll just take it here like this, okay. So at this point here, so at this point, so we are going to have just so if I have taken a line, so let me take a line inward a bit. So I'm going to have something, so there'll be a line, so a line will come down here from this point, so just a vertical line. So we take a line down from here like this, okay. So just take it down like this, and then so there'll be a short curve. So this line is not vertical, I can see it, so I believe you can see it too. So it is not a vertical line, so we redraw it, okay, like this, okay. So we have it here. So then just a short curve around here, okay. So I can erase this one, okay. All right, so we have made this part. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. So there's a straight line here. Okay, so as we have a straight line around here, so we have made that part, as you can see it. All right, so other thing that we have here is the hole that we have here. So if you look at the size of the hole, so the diameter or the diameter of the hole is 24 millimeters. So what we have to do first is that, so is in the center, so we sketch a center line. So we sketch a center line like this, and then so we also come to this side and we sketch a center line. So we sketch a center line here, so like this. All right, so we have the center line. So we are going to so I'm going to so make a mark here. Okay, so make a mark here, make a mark here, so almost the same distance. Make a mark here like this. So I will connect this mark together with arcs like this. Okay, so we connect them together like this. Okay, so if you look at the size of the hole, so it's 20, the diameter is 24. So we need to consider the thickness. So we see a little part of the down part of the hole, so around here. So what I'm going to do is that, so I will connect. So I'll just so make a mark, so from here like this. So join this together, and then so you connect this together like this. Okay, so that is the down part of the hole as you see it there. So let me make this all right, so we have it. So all right, so it goes like this. All right, so we have the down part of the hole. So we have completed the sketching of these objects. As simple as I've done it here, all you have to do is to practice, and when you practice this, you become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you.